God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. God bless Biafra. God bless BSMS. God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless the indigenous people of Biafra. God bless the indigenous people of Biafra. God bless the leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra. God bless the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu the Great. God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu the Great. God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu the Great, the greatest freedom fighter of all time, the supreme leader of indigenous people of Biafra, the supreme leader of Biafra Special Military Squad, in the person of Mazi Nnamdi Okwu Kanu, the freedom fighter of our time, the Messiah of my time, my Lord and personal Savior, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. God bless him wherever he is. God bless his deputy, Mazi Uche Mefo. God bless the leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra. God bless the leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra. God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless General Chukwu Madike Amemon. God bless General Chukwu Madike Amemon. God bless his second in command, General Ezechukwu Festus. God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless all commanders, all BSMS commanders, home and abroad. God bless you all. God bless all BSMS soldiers, home and abroad. God bless you all. God bless you all. We are Biafra Special Military Squad. And it remains your commander, Nana, right here. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to some of you, depending on your time zone, depending on where you're domiciled at this moment, depending on where you are at this moment. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all, good night to some of you, depending on your time zone. Right here today, I'm going to be deliberating on this particular issue that I tagged Islamization 202. Bringing Fulani vigilante down to Biafra land. You know, when BSMS is talking about arm us, give us arms. Give us arms. We want arms. We need to defend our land. We need to defend our land. We need to defend our land. Some people think we are blabbing. Some people think we are making noise. But now, I thank God that finally we have been officially recognized by the leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra as an arm fighting for the restoration of Biafra genuinely. And we now have the international support of the international community. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. It is very, very pathetic and it is very, very abhorred. It is very, very annoying. It is very, very, very sardonic. It is lugubrious. It is a wicked act, so to speak, what those people are trying to do to our race. It is very, very, very pathetic. I swear, it is very, very pathetic. These people, they want to reduce us to poop. They want to reduce our people to nothing. They want to reduce our people to rubbish. When we tell you people to arm us, some of you don't take us serious. Some of you think we are joking. Some of you think we come on social media to yab and to blab and to do jamboree. Most of you think that we don't have what we are doing. Most of you think that we are joking when we tell you to arm Biafra Special Military Squad. Now see, the Fulani Empire wants to come to your land and establish vigilante groups. As if the killings going on in the farms in Biafra land is not enough. As if the subjugation going on in Biafra land is not enough. As if the killings that are going on, the incessant killings, the subjugation and the killings that are going on in our land, they want to bring Fulani vigilante to our land. What rubbish. What an insult to the Biafrans. This is an insult. And we cannot take this rubbish. It is an insult. A total insult. Why will you bring Fulani vigilante group to Biafra land? As what? Is this Futajalon? Biafra land is not Futajalon. Biafra land is not Futajalon. If you want to start up vigilante groups, you can start your vigilante groups right there in your country. You don't come to another man's country to start up a vigilante group. Are you mad? What is wrong with these people? You people think we are joking, right? We are out for you. Full blown. Fully blown. We are out for you. Fully blown. And to those southeastern governors, I just have a few things to say to you. You think you're going to be in that devilish corridors of power where you misuse power anyhow. You think you're going to remain there forever, or you think Nigeria is going to exist forever. You lie. Anonata echibunta. Do you understand what I'm trying to tell you? Anonata echibunta. Anonata echibunta. Mgbe o ruru echi ka a chụọ n'owele nchi. Anaghị agwa n'unu wepụ aka enwe n'ofe ndị Southeast governors, Biafran governors, the idiotic animals. Wepụ na aka enwe n'ofe tupu ọwa aka mmadụ. Wepụ na aka enwe n'ofe tupu ọwa aka mmadụ. We are telling you people to stop all this rubbish that you are doing. Look at what you are doing. You want to bring Fulani vigilante to come and kill your own people, as if the headsmen are not enough. You want to bring vigilante as what? For what? Under what? This is the height of stupidity that these people are displaying. This is the height of it. This is the height of it. This is highly unacceptable. It is not acceptable. And it can never be accepted by Biafrans. It will never be accepted by Biafra's special military squad. It will never be accepted by the indigenous people of Biafra. These idiotic idiots that call themselves governors. You are not our governors. You are not our governors. We don't know who you are. You have sold the interest of your people to the Fulani Empire for Islamization. This is the worst insult. This is the worst of it. It's like China coming to the United States to create a vigilante group, or to form a military, or to form an army. It's like US going to North Korea, to Kim Jong-un, and they'll go there and form a vigilante. It's like Israel going to Russia and tell the Russian government that they are bringing their own vigilante. It's like Palestine coming to Israel to establish vigilante. What sort of rubbish is this? These people, do they really reason from their head? I mean, they reason from their nose. I mean, from their nose that they reason from. These idiotic governors, you are not representing Biafrans. The leaders of Biafrans, we know them already. Which are the indigenous people of Biafra. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We know our leaders. The so-called Southeast and South-South governors are not representing us. Excuse me. They are not in any way representing us. They will never represent us. They have never represented us. They will never represent us now. They have sold our interest and the interest of our people to Fulani Islamization. They have sold the interest of our people to Fulani slavery. They want our people to be enslaved. I'm in tears. I swear, I'm in tears. I'm in tears. This is pathetic. We are going to stop these people. We are going to stop these people. Everybody should get ready. BSMS soldiers should get ready. We must stop these people now or never. You need to arm BSMS. The indigenous people of Biafra, the leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra must arm BSMS now or never. Mbọsị amụrụ dike na mba ka amụrụ ibe ya n'ihi na dibịa gwọrịa onye amụma kpee onye amụma ọzọ ekpegharịa ya ndị otu buo ndị otu ọzọ ebugharịa ya otu akụwa dị. We are over equal to the task. Biafra Special Military Squad is over equal to the task. We are going to stop this rubbish. Imagine this insult. Imagine this nonsense happening in our land. Our ancestors will be so ashamed. Our ancestors will be so ashamed. Our ancestors will be weeping in their graves. Our heroes and heroines will be in shame if we allow these people to conquer us, which is never going to happen. Are we going to sit down here and fold our arms and see our people killed for the second time, decimated and destroyed again? Under the guise of devilish one Nigeria, we say no to it. We must defend this land. I don't care what the result is going to be. We must defend this land. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. This is just the tip of the iceberg. They should know that we are getting ready for them. We are over ready for them. Arm BSMS now. This is not about gossiping on social media. This is not about gossiping on Facebook. This is about reality. Facing the reality on ground. Facing the reality on ground. I'm on ground. I'm not in Europe. I'm not in any country. I'm on ground. I'm in Biafra land. And I know what we are seeing. I know what we are tackling. I know what we are facing. I know what we are facing. I know what these people are planning for us. They want to exterminate our race. They want to exterminate our race. They want to make sure that we insult that very essence that makes us a people. They want to destroy us forever. They want to Islamize us. They want to Fulanize our people. They want to take away that essence of respect, that dignity, that honor that makes us Biafrans. They want to drag our name to the mud. They want to kill our people. They want to rape our mothers. They want to kill our men and females. They want to smash the head of our young ones on the walls as they did in the genocidal war from 1967 to 1970. We are never going to allow that to happen. It is not going to happen, not now, not ever. We must stop these people now. We must crush these people now. I urge every young, vibrant Biafran youth out there to come and join Biafra Special Military Squad. And every Biafran serving under Nigerian Army, it is time you pull out. It is now or never. It is time you pull out from Nigerian Army if you are a Biafran. It is time you pull out. Because you must serve your motherland. You must serve your motherland. It is time to serve your motherland. Duty calls. Duty calls. Ndị iro gbara anyị okirikiri ụmụnne m. Ndị iro gbara anyị gburugburu. Ụmụ Biafra, anyị ga-eke nkwụcha n'ihi na nkwụcha abụghị ụjọ. Anyị ga-eke nkwụcha n'ihi na nkwụcha abụghị ụjọ. Onye ndị iro na-achụgharị na-eche ndụ ya nchi mgbe niile. Gịnị ka m ga-enye unu ụmụ Biafra? Gịnị ka m ga-enunu Onyenwe anyị nye amamihe zuru oke ka anyị merie Fulani ndị na-amaghị Chukwu, jide ha zọgbe ha Nna. Ka anyị merie Fulani ndị na-amaghị Chineke, nye amamihe Nna. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Duty calls Biafrans all over the world. It is time for duty. I'm so enraged. I'm so annoyed. We can never allow this evil to continue happening in our land. They want to bring Fulani vigilante down to our land. They want to bring headsmen down to our land. They want to bring Islam down to our land. They want to Islamize our people. What sort of rubbish is this? One tribe, causing problem for the whole of Africa. Oh God, I got one there. They should prepare themselves also as they are. That is my happiness. Everybody is just doing their own, talking rubbish on social media. Makana I get nda dobie fa wa fo na fa peka makana adobie keche na epo dompe adobie keche o na epo dompe aye jide ndi fo na ni adobie fa keche fa wa fo na fa peka. I get it in dia. When the Fulania, I get it defa, dobie fa, keche fa wa fo na fa peka. Makana adobie keche na epo dompe. We must restore Biafra through every thick and thin. Through every thick and thin, we must restore Biafra. With the last drop of our blood, even if the last family fight, even if it remains only one family after the fight, the remaining family should start the Biafra. Even if we fight it and it remains only one family in Biafra land, the remaining family should start up Biafra. Enough of this nonsense. I'm Biafra Special Military Squad right now. It is now or never. You need to arm us now. The leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra, they must get to the drawing board. They must get back to the drawing board. I believe them. I believe IPOB. IPOB is not a toyish game. IPOB is not an organization you can joke with. IPOB is not a jamboree organization. This is the indigenous people of Biafra. You want the indigenous people to sit down and watch you come and Islamize their land. You want the indigenous people to sit down and watch you come and decimate their land. The indigenous people, you think the indigenous people of Biafra will sit down and watch you come with your slavery, with your mayhem, with your destabilizement. You want to destabilize our people. You want to render our people useless. What you did to the Hausa Empire, what they did to the Hausa Empire, the ancient Songhai Empire. They want to, Ottoman Danfodio with his devilish dream of dipping the Quran down in the Atlantic Ocean. He wants to bring it down to Biafra land because they have said that they want to dip the Quran down in the Atlantic Ocean. Our land remains the only land that hasn't been conquered by Ottoman Danfodio and his foot soldiers. Our land, Biafra land, remains the only land that haven't been conquered by Ottoman Danfodio and his foot soldiers, the Fulani Gambaris from Fort Ajalon. They want to take this land. My brother, are you going to say yes to this? This is not about being a big boy. This is not about being a shangy boy. This is not about doing irrelevant things. This is not about gossiping on social media. This is about your existence as a man. Your existence as a woman, our existence as a race. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the greatest freedom fighter of all time. Biafra or death to our enemies. Please join Biafra Special Military Squad. And I want to pass this special message across. BSMS. In BSMS, if you want to join Biafra Special Military Squad, you don't pay any money. Please bear it in mind. Anybody who writes to you through any social media platform and tells you to pay any dime anywhere for you to join BSMS, report the person to me or General Chukwumadike Amemon or General Ezechukwu Festus or Jerry Bounce Lord or BSMS soldier and other BSMS soldiers that you know. Report the person immediately so that we can take immediate action on that person. Whether physical or spiritual, I call makana dibia gwo dibia ozo agwaria, ndi otu gwo ndi otu ozo ebuaria. Onye amụma akpe onye amụma ọzọ ekpegharịa n'ihi mgbe a mụrụ dike na mba ka a mụrụ ibe ya. We must destroy the Fulani Empire. The Fulani Empire must fall. He said they can never Islamize this land. They might try, but they will never Islamize this land. If they could not conquer us from 1967 to not even from 1967 to 1970, if they could not exterminate our people from 1945 when the killings and the incessant killings of Biafrans started. The incessant killings of Biafrans started in 1945 in the devilish contraption called Nigeria. That was when the killings started. The killings of Biafrans. That was when it started. Until the genocidal war was orchestrated against our people from 1967 to 1970. That Holocaust against the Biafrans. If they could not exterminate our people then, do they think they can exterminate our people now? In this 21st century, in this social media age, in this push button age, technology age, that technology has risen to a maximum proportion. In this 2019, when we the Biafrans control the media, when we the Biafrans control almost half of economy of the world, when we the Biafrans are in all important parastatals in the world, no. We can never be Islamized. You understand? We have never conquered any people, so nobody will conquer our people. Support Biafra and support Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless the indigenous people of Biafra. God bless the leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra. God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu the Great. Odogwu na-epempe, Odogwu salute. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, kege na-eke ewere ya, Odogwu na-epempe. Mazi Uche Mefo, nke gị na-eke ewere ya, Odogwu na-epempe. Mazi Chika Edoziem na-eke ewere ya, Odogwu na-epempe. Mrs. Nnenna ya anya na-eke ijide ya, Odogwu na-epempe. Na-akụ njide. IPOB bụ Odogwu. IPOB bụ Odogwu. We must stop these idiots. We must arm ourselves now. We must arm Biafra Special Military Squad now. We must resist this Fulani jihadi onslaught. Why do you want to bring a vigilante? A Fulani vigilante to our land? Are you Biafrans? Imagine this nonsense. You go away from your land and you come to another person's land to create vigilante. Are you mad? What kind of madness is this? Mighty Allah, God will punish you people. Mighty Allah, bring it on. We are ready. Mighty Allah, I'm speaking on behalf of Biafra and I'm speaking on behalf of Biafra Special Military Squad. Mighty Allah, who are you? Bring it on. We are waiting for you. We are BSMS. Mighty Allah, bring it on. We are waiting for you. Ndi Allah isi n'obodo gị ebe na m gị be under bakasika under ikaba under what? Under what? Under gịnị kwanụ ka ị na-abịa imelu m nonsense a? Under na men anọrọzi na Biafra land ka ọ gịnịzi? Na men anọrọzi na Biafra land ka ị ga-ejizi ebuteziri m ka ikunu ga-eji ebute vigilante here based on what? John ndị Python dance ka agwụ n'otu ọ na-esi edeba n'alụ. John of Akavagunu. John of a. Because we can never allow this rubbish to happen. Who say man no day? Who say man no day? Make a higher man make the echo. Make the echo, make we know the one we go loud pass. Make the clap hand, make we clap hand, make we see the one we go loud pass. They are also can run half front and back. You want to bring vigilante to Biafra land as what? As what? Abum commander Nana Atuegu Mado. I am being possessed by Biafra. The spirit of Biafra has possessed me. I don't feel lucky. You can rant on social media. You can insult on social media. You can never be me. You can never do what I'm doing. You can never do what BSMS is doing. If you do what BSMS is doing here on ground, in the zoo, DSS will kill you immediately. The zoo army will buy you. But we are unstoppable. We are untouchable. Makadibia gwa. Onyamama oze ekparia. Ndị otu ọzọ egbuarịa. Mbọsị amụrụ dike na mba ka amụrụ dike na mba ọzọ. Ọ ka anyị na-agwa unu. We are unstoppable. Jụọ ajụjụ ndị na-afụ ụzọ. Jeenụ ka unu nye unu. Jeenụ ka unu jụọ ajụjụ. Jụkena ndị bụ BSMS ka unu mara. Ka unu mara ebe anyị si eti ya alụ. Who say man no day? Who say man no day? You want carry vigilante come Biafra land? That's what? I was Umuwoka Amummele. Umuwoka Biafra. Unubumu Amummele. Idiot to fall and listen not to read vigilante even obodogi. In all social media now shit. In all social media now blab. In all social media na basili. Come get in your way in a struggle la. In all social media na basili. Otolega babugi babun nage. Your generation will be wiped out. Look at the impending danger, the impending doom about to befall our land. And you are busy on Facebook castigating the efforts of IPOB. You are busy on Facebook castigating the efforts of BSMS. You are busy on Facebook castigating the efforts of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. You are busy castigating the efforts of Biafrans all over the world. God is going to punish you. You will never go unpunished. We are going to kill you all. Read my lips. I know they hide my face. I'm not a terrorist. The people where they hide their face are terrorists. All those Hamas, ISIL, Boko Haram, ISIS, they are the people that used to hide their face. In BSMS, we know they hide our face. So if you are telling us, if they are telling us to hide our face in BSMS, you are talking rubbish. We are not terrorists, okay? We are not terrorists. We are genuine military wing. Biafra Special Military Squad, Kaibu. We are equal to the task. You understand? Over equal to the task. And we must stop this Fulani onslaught. Apụta na Facebook a na-agba asịrị. Ụmụ nwoke Maazị Nnamdi Kanu si ha ụmụ nwoke Biafra like ịgba asịrị wee even ụmụ nwaanyị ada agba asịrị ụmụ nwoke Biafra na-agba ụmụ nwaanyị Biafra na-agba ya sef. N'enu ajụjụ onye nke a na-ajụ m. Am you guys now? Are you guys enough in number to cover everywhere? N'enu ajụjụ nwere ike ọ nọ n'Europe na-ajụ m ajụjụ a. Ikechukwu wisdom. N'enu ọ dịka ajụjụ ị na-ajụ m. Akwa mbido gwaba gị okwu na esi na akpaligo gị. Na ajụjụ ị na-ajụ m. Are you guys now? Am you guys now? Are you guys enough in number to cover everywhere? N'enu ajụjụ ndị ara. Ajụjụ ndị egbugharị isi na-ajụ. Na si na my live video port kịtịkpa gbagbuo gị otele gbuo nne gị. Come on, zuzube ebe ọsịsọ, idiot. We must defend this land. Adam afụ iru mmadụ. Ikwu nonsense nke a nye gị ozugbo otu o si dịrị m n'obi na-adịrọ mma. Na ọta. We are talking about what is happening in our land and you're asking me rubbish questions. Is that where to ask that questions? Don't you know where to direct that question? Or rather, come and join BSMS. Come and join BSMS. Or we on our Facebook now nonsense. Name cultism up and down. Name cultism. Look at it. They are coming to kill us. And you are a cultist. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Una name cultism. When the Fulanis are coming to kill us. Una no na nonsense. Na he na bakatren. Unu kawan no. We want to assure you something. They will never Islamize this. Like, if you like, come and join. If you like, don't join. We must restore Biafra. If you like, join. If you like, don't join. I'm not forcing anybody. I don't even have time. I don't even have time. You understand? If you check, I don't even have time to force anybody. Come and join BSMS. I can't drag you. God forbid, I will never do it. If you know what is good for yourself, come and do it. If you know what is good for yourself, come and do it. I will never drag anybody and say, come and join BSMS. Am I mad? Why would I? Anyo borogi, nti ochirigi, owe na anu ihe. Nti ochiri unu, owu na anu ihe. If you owe na anu ihe, owe na anu ihe, owu na anu ihe. Owu na ahụ ụzọ. Owu na afụ ife na-eme n'obodo. Ịchọ ka ndọlọ gị sị gị bịa banye BSMS tupu ịbanye BSMS. Ịchọ ka m bịa dọlụ gị n'efe. Ka m bịa dọlụ gị n'efe. Sị gị bata BSMS tupu ịbata BSMS. Malụ na ị abịa alụ ọgụ. Kwado ana nna gị. Join BSMS now. And I'm making this announcement again. You don't pay money to join BSMS. It has only one procedure. Come down to Biafra land. If you are in Biafra land, come down and take your oath. You can inbox me. I'll direct you. You understand? You don't have to be scared of anything. Come and take your oath. Come and take your oath. Sincerely speaking. Come and take your oath. That is the only procedure. We don't collect money. We have not collected money from anybody before. If we have collected money, may Amadi or Hakama will strike us dead. May Chuko Kikabia must strike us dead. You understand? We are a full, genuine, whiter and white, cleaner, white and snow freedom fighting group. BSMS, under the leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra. We don't collect money for registration. We don't buy form or do any. No. BSMS is real. We are on ground. We are not a blabbing freedom fighting force. We are here to restore Biafra, and that is the paramount goal. Under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, and the leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra are fully behind us. They are 100% international backing. So we are not fools, we are not miscreants, we are doing a great job. We want to restore our land. Ngwere sị, oshi n'olu oshishi daa, ma onwe onye si ya na ọgbaliala, ya kwetu n'ishi si na nna agbaliala m. This is time for us to defend Biafra land. This is time for us to defend Biafra land. This is time for us to defend Biafra land. Fulani emeli ihe nne ha si emela, emeli ihe nne ya si emela, emeli ihe nna ha si emela, gbuwekwanụ ha ohitiela gbamgbam. Jubril emeli ihe nne ya si emela, omeli ihe nne ya si emeli, mana omeli ihe nna ya si emela, gbakwuru ya gbuo ya ohitiela gbamgbam. Fulani emeli ihe nna ha si emela, omeli ihe nne ha si emeli, mana omeli ihe nna ha si emela, gbakwuru ya gbuo ya ohitiela gbamgbam. Ebute Kọmandanti mee ngwa, kọmandanti meweno, kọmandanti mee bute egbe. Ihe anyị busara na Ọnịcha onye ga-eje bute, ihe anyị busara na Asaba onye ga-eje bute, ihe anyị busara na Akara onye ga-eje bute, ihe anyị busara na Ikwere onye ga-eje bute. Kọmandanti mee ngwa. Kọmandanti mee ngwa, kọmandanti meweno, kọmandanti mewe bute egbe. Nụrụ olu anyị eze, nụrụ olu anyị, nụrụ olu anyị eze, nụrụ olu anyị. Owe mgbe ike jubiri gaka ike kanụ, owe mgbe ike jubiri ga-aka ike kanụ nna bụo Chukwu kere ụwa nụrụ olu anyị eze nụrụ onye kere ụwa nụrụ olu anyị nụrụ olu anyị nna nụrụ olu anyị nụrụ olu anyị nna nụrụ olu anyị onweghị mgbe ike jubiri ga-aka ike kanụ onweghị mgbe ike jubiri ga-aka ike kanụ nna biko onye kere ụwa bụ ilu olu anyị nna bilo eke kere ụwa nụrụ olu anyị ị na-agagharị n'ọzara ị chọghị ịkwa mgbọ ọkwa mgbe agha biri n'oge zawa Biafra ọkwa mgbe agha biri n'oge zawa Biafra ị na-agagharị n'ọzara ị chọghị ịkwa mgbọ ọkwa mgbe agha biri n'oge zawa Biafra ọkwa mgbe agha biri n'oge zawa Biafra ị na-ezogharị n'obodo ị chọghị ịkwa mgbọ ọkwa mgbe agha biri n'oge zawa Biafra ọkwa mgbe agha biri n'oge zawa Biafra. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. The zoo must fall. The Fulani Empire must fall. The Fulani Empire must fall. The Fulani Empire must fall. Who are they? Who is Meti Allah? Also Garanni front and back. How many hands do they have? How many head kahamuri sione kafabu? Mieti Allah, how many heads do you have? Mieti Allah, what kind of God do you worship? Your God is not greater than Chukwu Okike Abiyama. Mieti Allah, your God is not greater than Chukwu Okike Abiyama. Your men are not stronger than the men in Biafra. We can never allow this insult in Biafra land. They can take their vigilante group they can take their vigilante group down to Futajalon. They should take their vigilante group down to Sambisa Forest and not in Biafra land. Makoso Garanneha front and back. Also Garanneha front and back. Jekono kunu jekwa brata ya ada tu ibu madu. Kokono brata na ada filuya. He's complaining that soldiers are no longer willing to fight. And we are telling all our Biafran soldiers in the Zoo Army, pull out now. Biafran soldiers in Zoo Army, pull out now. Biafran soldiers in the Zoo Army, pull out now. Biafran soldiers in the Zoo Army, pull out now. Biafran soldiers in the Zoo Army, pull out now. Duty calls. Duty calls. Duty calls. N'ihi na mgbe a mụrụ dike na mba ka a mụrụ ibe ya. N'ihi na mgbe a mụrụ dike na mba ka a mụrụ ibe ya. You must arm BSMS now. BSMS must be armed now. I mean, we must defend this land now. Nothing must stop us from defending this land. We must defend this land. Come and join BSMS today. Come and be counted among the men of valor. Ọ bụrụ na Facebook a na-aba mba. Ọ bụrụ na Facebook a na-akọ asịlị. Pụta ka ịbịa jọ. Biafra is not an Igbo affair. Biafra is not an Igbo affair. Biafra is for Isoko. Biafra is for Udoma. Biafra is for Ishekiri. Biafra is for Anam. Biafra is for Efik. Biafra is for Ibibio. Biafra is from Izon. Biafra is for Urobo. Biafra is for Igede. Biafra is for Ebanke. Biafra is for all. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. The Zoo Network is fluctuating as usual. The Zoo Network are trying as much as possible to destabilize what I'm doing. The Zoo Network, they must fail. Mahamando to her. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Come and join BSMS today. Stop gossiping on Facebook. Stop asking rubbish questions on Facebook. Stop gossiping on Facebook. Unu na-akọ asịrị. Unu na-akọ asịrị dị egwu. Stop gossiping on Facebook. Come and join BSMS and quit gossiping. Come and join BSMS and quit gossiping. Unu na-akọ asịrị dị egwu. Ụmụ nwoke, ụmụ nwaanyị, ebele unu na-emetalụ m. Ụmụ nwaanyị anyị ka dị unu mma. Unu na-akọ asịrị dị egwu. Ifu nwoke ṅụjuru mmiri ala nne ya afọ pụta na Facebook na-akọ asịrị, na-ajụ m ajụjụ. Gị nwa kwesịrị iji ịgbapụ ọsọ bịa take ya oath. Gị nwa kwesịrị ịgbapụ ọsọ bịa ṅụọ iyi nke agha anyị nọ n'ime ya. Bịa ṅụọ iyi BSMS. Ịmalụ na ịghọgo dị mkpa. Ọ bụla ị nọ n'ezi na-agba n'ezi na-eme cultism, a na-egbu nne gị, na-egbu nna gị, na-egbu ụmụnne gị, na-eme cultism. Ifela na-emekwa gị nne ka njugana gị nna. Ifela na-emekwa gị gịwa na-eme cultism. Enwebeghị m time unu. M ga-enwe time unu ndị a na-eme cult. M ga-enwe time unu ka m beta ọkọ sense into your heads. God bless Biafra. God bless BSMS. God bless the leadership of BSMS. God bless the leadership of IPOB. God bless all BSMS commanders and generals and soldiers on ground. We must defend Biafra land. They want to bring vigilante group, Fulani vigilante. It is preposterous. I can't decode it. It makes me go mad. I can't even sleep. If I think of this thing, I can't think far. I can't sleep. I can't think far. I can't even sleep. The thing they bust my head. And you want us to stand and fold our arms? You are a liar. You are a liar. Share this program. Join BSMS today. Let us defend this land. Islamization 202. The herdsmen are not enough for them. Grazing land is not enough. Grazing bill is not enough for them. Bringing Islamic education to Biafra land is not enough for them. Now they want to bring Fulani vigilante group. Ha! What kind of insult is this? Ohaneze ndị Igbo ifele na-emekwa unu. Ohaneze ndị osi na ndị ara na ndị iberibe. Ohaneze mad people. Hopeless Ohaneze ndị Igbo. You useless elders that say they are elders. What kind of useless elders are you? Hopeless elders. Otelebagbo nunu elders. Ọ dị nnọọ ka eweta unu taa desi unu ka m were mma mapụ unu niile isi ndị asị na fa bụ elders. Si na bụ ha bụ Ohaneze ndị ala na ndị osi na ndị ama. Joe Igbo kwe na ndị otu ya nna ya nwe udo, ndị ala, ndị osi. Hokezi ikpeazụ na ndị otu ya. Willie Obiano ndị onye ọjọọ. Ekwensu a ga-egbupụ isi. Ụmụahị na ndị otu ha. They should prepare for the worst. Iche na ị ga-achị forever. You think you will rule forever? Prepare for exile. Prepare for your death or your exile if you are a saboteur. Nagari nọzara na-achụgharị sabotua. Ọgụ a ọwụtanyo Fulani ga-anwụ echi. Nagari nọzara na-achụgharị sabotua. Ọgụ a ọwụtanyo Buratai ga-anwụ echi. Nagari nọzara na-achụgharị sabotua. Ọgụ a owute m Jubril ga-anwụ echi. Nagari nọzara na-achụgharị sabotua. Ọgụ a owutanyo Jubril ga-anwụ echi. Nagari nọzara na-achụgharị sabotua. Ọgụ a owutanye Buratai ga-anwụ echi. Nagari nọzara na-achụgharị sabotua. Ọgụ a owutanye Fulani ga-anwụ echi. Nagari nọzara na-achụgharị sabotua. Ọgụ a owutanye Fulani ga-anwụ echi. Nagari nọzara na-achụgharị sabotua. Ọgụ a owutanye Fulani ga-anwụ echi. na-agagharị n'ọzara na-achụgharị sabotu a ọgụ ahụ wụtanye Fulani ga-anwụ echi na-agagharị n'ọzara na-achụgharị sabotu a ọgụ ahụ wụtanye Jubril ga-anwụ echi na-agagharị n'ọzara na-achụgharị sabotu a ọgụ ahụ wụtayo Ikpeazụ ga-anwụ echi na-agagharị n'ọzara na-achụgharị sabotu a na ọgụ ahụ wụtanye ụwa zuru ike ga-anwụ echi na-agagharị n'ọzara na-asụgharị sabotu a ọgụ ahụ wụtanye Asarị ga-anwụ echi na-agagharị n'ọzara na-achụgharị sabotu a ọgụ ahụ wụtanye Nwodo ga-anwụ echi na-agagharị n'ọzara na-achụgharị sabotu a ọgụ ahụ wụtanye Obianọ ga-anwụ echi na-agagharị n'ọzara na-achụgharị sabotu a ọgụ ahụ wụtanye Umahi ga-anwụ echi na-agagharị n'ọzara na-achụgharị sabotu a ọgụ ahụ wụtanye Ọhaneze ga-anwụ echi ọgagharị n'ọzara na-achụgharị sabotu a ọgụ ahụ wụtanye Joyigbokwe ga-anwụ echi na-agagharị n'ọzara na-achụgharị sabotu a ọgụ ahụ wụtanye Nnaya Nwodo ga-anwụ echi na-agagharị n'ọzara na-achụgharị sabotu a ọgụ ahụ wụtanye Ụwa Zuru Ike ga-anwụ echi na-agagharị n'ọzara na-achụgharị sabotu a ọgụ ahụ wụtanye Ndị Sabo ga-anwụ echi na-agagharị n'ọzara na-achụgharị sabotu a ọgụ ahụ wụtanye Asarị ga-anwụ echi na-agagharị n'ọzara na-achụgharị sabotu a ọgụ ahụ wụtanye Ndị Sabo ga-anwụ echi onye mere njọ Jubri ewo Jubril onye isi ome njọ Jubri onye mere njọ Jubri ewo Jubril onye isi ome njọ Jubri onye mere njọ Jubri ewo Jubril onye isi ome njọ Jubri onye mere njọ Fulani ewo Fulani ndị isi ome njọ Fulani onye mere njọ Fulani ewo Fulani ndị isi ome njọ Fulani onye mere njọ Fulani ewo Fulani ndị isi ome njọ Fulani. We are going to stop the Fulani Empire. The Fulani Empire must fall. The Fulani Empire must fall because we must defend our land. We must defend our land. Join BSMS today. Let us liberate our land. Stop gossiping on Facebook. Gossiping will not help you. Asking irrelevant questions will not help you. Come and let us defend our land. We must defend our land through every thick and thin. We must defend this land from every Fulani onslaught. We must defend this land from every jihadism. We must defend this land from every Islamization. We must defend this land from every Quran. We must defend this land from every Izala. We must defend this land from every Hakika. We must defend this land from every Qadiriya, every other Wahhabism. We must defend this land from their jihadism. We must defend this land because we are Biafrans. We are Biafrans and we must defend this land. We are warriors and we come from the loins of warriors. Our people, we abhor slavery. We abhor subjugation. We abhor suffering. We abhor perpetual slavery. We abhor perpetual impunity being channeled and championed by these Fulani slave masters talking about the British Empire. And Britain must fall. For this evil that they are perpetuating, they have been perpetuating in my land and they want to continue perpetuating. Britain is going to fall. Britain must fall. The Fulani Empire must fall. The Fulanis are our enemies and they must fall. We hate them much as we hate them. We hate them even more than we hate them. We have no land for them in Biafra land. They will never create any vigilante group in this land. They will never establish any vigilante. As what? As what? As Biafrans or as what? Also, Garani have front and back. Ine ma ya n'ilu ife na adam afu ilu mmadụ, adam atụ egwu mmadụ, onye ọbụla ọsọ gị bụrụ. Our only loyalty goes to Chukwu Okike Abiama, one. The second person our loyalty goes to is the indigenous people of Biafra. The leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and his leadership. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu are Biafrans at large. We are Biafran servants. We are serving Biafra. We are serving Biafra. We are servants to you. BSMS are servants to you. We are serving our motherland. We are not terrorists. We are not miscreants. We are Biafrans. And we are Biafra Special Military Squad. We are IPOB. We are Biafra Special Military Squad. We shall never allow this land to be Islamized by anybody. We shall never allow this land to be Islamized by any human being. No idiot will Islamize this land. No idiot from Futaja alone will Islamize this land. They are gathering from all over West Africa. The Fulanis are gathering, and you must arm BSMS now. BSMS must be armed now. BSMS must be armed now. I mean sophisticated arms. We must be highly sophisticated because our enemies are prepared and ready for them. They were given 100 billion to buy arms. 100 billion. Not the ones they receive in secret. This is the ones they receive in open. They received in open $100 billion. If they like, they can gather all the whole money in World Bank. They can't stop Biafra restoration. We are going to defeat them. We know the Fulanis. We have studied the Fulanis. We must defeat the Fulanis. Everybody so the wapu everybody one pelekwa everybody don't have egwu madu abumwe na choken anyị bụ kamba anyị bụ Biafra abumwe everybody don't have egwu madu egwu madu na muzi don't have egwu madu anyị bụ Biafra anyị bụ BSMS wa wuri agasi anyị chewa wa buru ọgụ wa bịa anya atashiwa nkiri ndị ebreba nọ n'ebe a unu n'ife m da akpa ewapụrụ ọgụ a bịawa ma atashiwa nkiri BSMS atashiwa nkiri. They think they are rugged. They think they are possessed. They have the monopoly to kill. Imagine. You want to bring, first of all, you want to bring your herdsmen to our land. You've brought your herdsmen to our land. You want to take our land and do grazing when you know very well that we are farmers and we need land to farm. You know very well that we are farmers and you want to bring your cows. Don't you have land in your place? Can't you grow grasses in your place? Look at Israel. They are growing grass in deserts. They are growing things in their desert. Look at Dubai. Look at Qatar. They are growing things with technology-wise. They are growing things. They are growing, they are feeding themselves. These ones are just parasites. The Fulanis, they are just parasites. But we are going to tell them that we are more deadlier than them. We don't have any land for the Fulanis. We don't have any land for the Fulanis. We don't have any land for the Fulanis. Omere mebreba bia join na BSMS. Anam here lunu dachi. Omere mebreba no na Biafra land. Omere mebreba no na Biafra land amami funde chewo. Omere mebreba no na Biafra land amami funde che. Oka BSMS anda akpa unu oka no ya na choken mumne unu oka no oka BSMS anda akpa angmeke angmogudu eboji ebreba unu oka no oka BSMS anda akpa unu oka no oka Fulani anda akpa unu oka no ya omgba aghari anyị omgba anyị nọ kwụzugbo ụlọ anyị gwuo oge anyị bebreba ndị Fulani abanakwara ya anyị oifunu chọ ni aba n'uru ịhụrụ ali bekee ga-ada agba mbọ ali bekee elije abụrụ mmadụ ga-ewu ụlọ ali ebreba ịlụ akwa ga-abịa fụ ọkwakwa onye Fulani nne ka fụ ọkwakwa onye Fulani bụ ọnọkwa ụlọ aka ụlọ wukwa tụfịa akwa adị asị melon tụfịa akwa adị asị anya lọn tụfịa akwa twa onwe ike ime. You can never Islamize our land. God forbid. We shall fight to the last man. To the last man, I said. Every clan in Biafra land. Igbo, ndị Igbo tetenụ n'ụla. Igbo dum bụ otu. Igbo tetenụ n'ụla. Ama m n'Igbo. Igbo adịrị ekwe apụ na mmiri ma ọ bụrụ na mmiri amabeva ma avụ ọvụma. Igbo adịrị ekwe eze mmiri ọ bụrụ na mmiri amabeva matọ ọva matọ. Igbo mụrụ m. Na-enụ n'agha dịkwa. Na-enụ na agwọ nọ n'akịrịka. Okenye ọma nọ n'ụlọ ewu amụọ n'ọgbụ. Okenye na-anọ n'ụlọ ewu amụọ n'ọgbụ. Mana ndị okenye ahụ weziri kịta bụzi ndị okenye alụlụ alụ. Ndị okenye ahụ weziri kịta bụzi ndị okenye ndị ụrụ. Ndị okenye ahụ weziri kịta bụ ndị okenye arụrụmanị. Ndị okenye ahụ weziri kịta bụ ndị okenye arụrụmanị. Ndị okenye ga-afụ hafụ ife dị oji fasị gị na ife dị ọcha. Afụ ife dị ọcha asị gị na ife na-acha odo odo. Ụmụ Igbo unu ya ekwe ka ndị abịa melie anyị. Unu ya ekwe ka imelie abịa melie anyị ụmụ Igbo. Chaa ụmụ Igbo anụ m ebele unu akwa ụmụ Igbo unu amala ife ndị a na-akwadola unu. Unu amakwa ife ndị a na-akwadola anyị. Ndị a na-akwado igbu mụ na gị. Ndị a na-akwado igbu mụ na gị. Gbuo nne gị, gbuo nna gị, gbuo ụmụnne gị. Ndị a na-akwado igbu anyị. Ndị a na-akwado igbu anyị ụmụ Igbo. Hey God. Hey Chukwu abịa ma. Hey ị ka nọkwado n'igwe. Ndị a na-akwado igbu anyị. A na-akwado igbu anyị. Ụmụnna ya na-egwu egwuregwu nọrọ na soshal midia na-akọ asịrị. A na-akwado igbu anyị. A na-abịa igbu mụ na gị. A na-abịa igbu nne m na nne gị. A na-abịa ime anyị ka anyị bụrụzi ndị alakụba. Ụmụ Igbo kedu ife ọwụ? Ụmụ Igbo tetenụ n'ụlọ na agwọ nọ n'akịrịka. Ụmụ Igbo tetenụ n'ụlọ na agwọ nọ n'akịrịka. Ụmụ Igbo tetenụ n'ụlọ. Ndị Igbo tetenụ n'ụlọ. Ụmụ Igbo tetenụ n'ụlọ. Ụmụ Igbo, they want to kill us all. They want to Islamize our land. They want to take away our ancestral land from us. They want to insult us. They want to turn us to poop. They want to destroy the very essence of dignity and respect that we command as Biafrans. They want to Islamize our land. Ma ị bụ onye Isoko, ma ị bụ onye Idoma, ma ị bụ onye Gala, ma ị bụ onye Ishekiri, ma ị bụ onye Urobo, ma ị bụ onye Anan, ma ị bụ onye Efik, ma ị bụ onye Ibibio, ma ị bụ onye Igede, ma ị bụ onye Zon, ma ị bụ onye Ịgbanke. Gbakọta n'aka ka anyị nụọ n'ọgụ a. Put hands together maka na Igbo si na anyụkọ mamịrị ọnụ ọgbọ ọfụfụ. Maka na anyụkọ mamịrị ọnụ ọgbọ ọfụfụ. Igbo kwuru Igbo si anyụkọ mamịrị ọnụ ọgbọ ọfụfụ. Bịanụ ka anyị nụọ n'ọgụ a. Ndị abịagokwa igbu mụ na gị. They have come to kill us. They have come to decimate us. They have come to destroy us. They have come to kill our people. They have come. And the so-called idiotic elders are not talking anything. They are busy collecting billions and millions taken on our behalf, killing our people, selling our people out to slavery. All these saboteurs must get ready to die. Read my lips. I didn't say mercy, because in this race, forgiveness is a sin to me. I don't know for you. For me, forgiveness is a sin. Forgiveness is a sin to me, because I'm not going to spare any saboteur. I want to suck their blood. I want to drink their blood. Because I can't be fighting to restore Biafra, and you will be one side telling the enemy where to get me. You will be one side telling the DSS how to capture me. ị na-awụ mmiri na okwute, ị na-akụ aka na tipa bụ aja. PSMS anya na-emekwa ife ụmụazị. Isi nọ asị enwale, isi nọ asị enwale, isi nọ ọba asị enwale. We must defend this land. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. N'ihi na mgbe anyị bụ odogwu ka anyị bụ. Dibịa gwụọ, dibịa ọzọ agwụgharịa. Ndị otu buo, ndị otu ọzọ ebugharịa. Ndị amụma kpee, onye amụma ọzọ ekpegharịa ya. Otu a ka ụwa dị. N'ihi na arụsị ka arụsị. N'ihi na arụsị ka arụsị. Arụsị ka arụsị. Mmụọ ka mmụọ, dibịa ka dibịa. Arụsị ka arụsị, mmụọ ka mmụọ, dibịa ka dibịa. Onye amụma kpee, onye amụma ọzọ ekpegharịa ya. Ndị otu buo, ndị otu. Anyị ga-aga n'ihu. Ndị Zuu Network na-achị inye nsogbu, mana anyị ga-aga n'iru. Anyị ga-aga n'iru. Kwadonu n'ọgụdị. Ndị iro gbara anyị okirikiri, ụmụnne m. Ndị iro gbara anyị gburugburu, ụmụ Biafra. Anyị ga-eke nkwụcha n'ihi na nkwụcha abụghị ụjọ. Anyị ga-eke nkwụcha n'ihi na nkwụcha abụghị ụjọ. Onye ndị iro na-achụgharị na-eche ndụ ya nche mgbe niile. Ndị iro gbara anyị okirikiri, ụmụnne m. Ndị iro gbara anyị gburugburu, ụmụ Biafra. Anyị ga-eke nkwụcha n'ihi na nkwụcha abụghị ụjọ. Anyị ga-eke nkwụcha n'ihi na nkwụcha abụghị ụjọ. Onye ndị iro na-achụgharị na-eche ndụ ya nche mgbe niile. Isi mgbalaga onye ga-akwanụ mgba ọma mgbalaga. Isi mgbalaga onye ga-akwanụ mgba ọma mgbalaga. Isi mgbalaga onye ga-akwanụ mgba ọma ụsabịa. Isi mgbalaga onye ga-akwanụ mgba ọma mgbalaga. Isi mgbalaga onye ga-akwanụ mgba ọma mgbalaga. Take my boots off when I die, oh Biafra. Take my body to the camp. Hallelujah, give my gun to someone else to fight for motherland. Biafra, take my boots off when I die. Take my boots off when I die, oh Biafra. Take my body to the camp. Hallelujah, give my gun to someone else to fight for motherland. Biafra, take my boots off when I die. Nnamdi bụ eze n'ala Biafra, edere ya na mgbe ochie. Jubrili nwanne ya Abakari, enweghị ike imeri Biafra. Biafra win the war, Hamadi ka shelling machine, heavy artillery, bomber fighter. Asị m Nnamdi bụ eze n'ala Biafra, edere ya n'obodo ahụ. Jubrili nwanne ya Abakari, enweghị ike imeri Biafra. Biafra win the war, Hamadi ka shelling machine, heavy artillery, bomber fighter. Duty calls, ụmụnne m, duty calls. Ọ bụrụ gịnị ka anyị ga-emere unu? Ọ bụrụ gịnị ka anyị ga-emere unu? Ruo ya, ruo ya, ruo ya. Oluchukwu dị ebube, Oluchukwu dị ebube, ọ dị ebube, ọ dị ebube. Olu Chineke dị ebube, ọ dị ebube, ọ dị ebube. Amara na ka ga-esoro wela, amara na ka ga-eso werela. Cherubim ma Seraphim bịanụ bịanụ, unu bi unu ndị amamihe bịanụ bịanụ. Ndị gọziri agọzi bịanụ bịanụ, unu bịa. Ị ga-ekwe ka mmetụkwa gị ka nwada ị ga-ekwe ka mmetụkwa gị ka nwada bịanụ bịanụ. Olukwusi Fulani ka ya mma, gbakwuru ya o hitiela gbamgbam na emehie. Gịnị ka m ga-enye unu ụmụ Biafra? Gịnị ka m ga-enye unu? Onye nwe anyị nyanya amamihe, nyanya amamihe ona. Ka anyị mere Fulani ndị na-amaghị Chukwu, jide ha, zọgbu ha, ona. Ka anyị mere Fulani ndị na-amaghị Chineke, nyanya amamihe ona. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Fana agba egwu Sulugede, mana fama nọ na Sulugede bụ egwu ndị mmụọ. Onye na-agba Sulugede mana na Sulugede bụ egwu ndị mmụọ. Onye na-agba Sulugede mana na Sulugede bụ egwu ndị mmụọ. He who is dancing Sulugede should know that Sulugede is the dance of the spirits. And we are willing to dance the dance of the spirits with the Fulanis. They want to dance the dance of the spirits with Biafrans. And BSMS is willing to dance the dance of Ndemmo. We are willing to dance the dance of Ndemmo. They are dancing Python dance. In Biafra land, what we dance is Surugede. They are dancing Python dance. In Biafra land, what we dance is Surugede, the dance of the spirits. Fakwado, mana famara ka isi wee kwado. Fakwado, mana famara ka isi wee kwado. Ndị amara ka isi wee kwado. They want to dance the dance of the spirits. They must dance the dance of the spirits. They must dance the dance of the spirits with Biafrans. We are happy to oblige. We are happy to oblige. Don't be scared of anybody. If you are a Biafran home and abroad, don't be scared of them. You are a lion just like me. We are lions. We are descendants of Eri. We are descendants of God. We are descendants of Eri. Haibumweri. We are warriors. The Ekumeku warriors fought the Britons for over 100 years. The Ekumeku warriors, they fought the British for over 100 years. And here we are. In 1967 down to 1970, our heroines and heroines fought for this noble cause. And now the ball is in our court. Are we going to allow the Fulanis to insult the very essence of dignity that is left for our people? Are we going to allow the Fulanis to destroy our land in impunity? Are we going to allow the Fulanis to rape our mothers? Are we going to allow the Fulanis to rape our sisters? I have sisters. I have very beautiful sisters. Look at me. I have very, very beautiful sisters. My mother is very beautiful. Imagine if a Fulani man will walk into my house and rape my sisters, and rape my mother, and rape my grandmother before me, and I will do nothing. Yeah, God forbid. I rather kill them all. I kill them all than to allow that nonsense to happen. That is what they want. They want to rape our women. They want to rape our women. They want to kill our brothers. You may be here laughing. You may be here smiling. You may be here sending me funny emojis, sending me a laughing face and think that I'm cracking joke. You think that I'm laughing. You think that I'm playing. This guy is blabbing. This guy is playing. And you are in Europe talking nonsense. You are on Facebook typing rubbish. You are on Facebook attacking IPOB. You are on Facebook attacking indigenous people of Biafra. You are on Facebook attacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You are on Facebook attacking Mazi Uchemefo, attacking the leadership of IPOB. You are on Facebook attacking them while the Fulanis are coming to kill us. To kill your mother and to rape your sisters. God forbid. Biafra women are the most beautiful women, the most beautiful women on planet Earth. I have no apology to anyone. I have no apology to anyone. We have the most beautiful women in the world. You can check our history. You can ask Abani Darego. She will tell you. You can come down to Biafra land and see for yourself. They want to take our women. They want to rape our women. Our beautiful women. Mary si meje lara, Mary nwanyị ọma. Mary si meje lọgụ, Mary nwanyị ọma. Mary si meje lara, Mary nwanyị ọma. Mary si meje lọgụ, Mary nwanyị ọma. Ọ bụrụ na meje ghara, Mary nwanyị ọma, ndị iro ga-akpụrụ gị, Mary nwanyị ọma. Ọ bụrụ na meje ghara, Mary nwanyị ọma, ndị iro ga-aragbu gị, Mary nwanyị ọma. Mary si meje lara, Mary nwanyị ọma. Mary si meje lọgụ, Mary nwanyị ọma. Mary si meje lara, Mary nwanyị ọma. Mary si meje lọgụ, Mary nwanyị ọma. Ọ bụrụ na meje ghara, Mary nwanyị ọma, ndị iro ga-akpụrụ gị, Mary nwanyị ọma. Mary si meje lara, Mary nwanyị ọma. Mary si meje lọgụ, Mary nwanyị ọma. Ma-eje ọgụ a, anyị ga-eje ọgụ a, anyị anata. Otu a ka ọ ya dị. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. They can take their vigilante group down to Futajalon. They can take their vigilante group down to Futajalon. They can take their vigilante group down to Futajalon. There will be no Fulani vigilante group in this Biafra land. Lie to lie. Never! Never. They will never bring any vigilante group down to this Biafra land. Are they mad? Are they mad? What sort of insult is that? What sort of hopelessness is that? What sort of insult is that? What kind of people are we dealing with? These people are beasts of no nation. These people are animals, ingrates. The zoo has fallen. Nigeria is a zoo and the zoo has fallen. They must be destroyed. This generation of Biafrans are fanatical about this generation of Biafrans. We are fanatical about Biafra. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS.
Chineke.
Ndeo. Go on, speak on.
God bless IPOB. God bless BSMS. God bless General Amemon.
You say, God bless
God bless you, my commander. God bless IPOB. I must have to commend your...
You say IPOB one family.
I must have to commend your strength, your dexterity, and your energy you are putting in this. Many people don't understand what is actually going on. This is a subtle move by the Fulani cabals to invade our land. But believe you me, because of the ignorance, the level of ignorance in Biafra land is making our people not to understand what is actually going on. The same way they will shut down this particular Facebook now we are using to air our views. Many people will not see it as anything bad. How can you tell me that the world fourth most terrorist organization in the whole wide world are coming down to Biafra land to form a vigilante group in our land?
I don't understand.
People are just keeping quiet.
I don't understand.
People, the whole environment, nobody, there is no outrage. There is no outrage. My brother is the network is the network. Can you hear me? The network.
Zoo network. We must continue. Zoo network.
Nobody is talking.
I can hear you. Continue.
People
continue.
are not saying anything.
Continue. I can hear you. Speak on. Speak on. I can hear you. Continue. I can hear you.
This is the reason why we have to educate our people based on what is going on. IPOB is doing a lot of work, trying to reach out to our people, to educate them, for them to understand what is actually going on. And in this part of the world, And that is why the level of education in Africa is the way it is. People don't understand until the killing now will start in their own kitchen before they will get to understand. Because before now, the Fulanis will kill our people in the bush. Nobody reports about it. It was as a result of the emergency. Before now, people don't get to hear about it. And the next move people will do now is to shut down the internet. It's the same way you are not seeing outrage on what is going on now. It's the same way going on. People don't understand. Even our people that are living in abroad, most of them are there joining cultism. The ones in Malaysia, they will go there, form different cult groups. They will form different cult groups. They will spend money. They will kill one another. And when you are telling them that your land is on fire, they don't understand. They don't. But they spend money abroad, joining cultism and killing one another in abroad. And when you tell them about Biafra and the killing of our people by the Fulanis in Biafra land, they say be out of reality. That this is everyday reality. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can hear you, my brother. Yeah, I can hear you, brother. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. Zoo Network. Can you hear me? The Zoo Network. The war starting. When is the war starting? They have declared the war already. They have declared the war already on our people. And we are not going to fold our hands. We are not going to fold our hands and watch these people take over our land. How can you form a vigilante group in another man's land? The fourth most dangerous terrorist group in the world wants to come down to Biafra land and form a vigilante group. Isn't it mind-boggling? Oh my God. How can a terrorist organization build on a vigilante group? The fourth most dangerous terrorist organization opening a vigilante group in my land. Is that not madness? And nobody is talking. The politicians are not saying anything. And you want us to keep quiet? So have front and back. So have front and back. So front and back. Right, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu na moko okwu yosunu de na mpempa akwụkwọ. Then ya na mpempa akwụkwọ. They are going to see wickedness. So front and back. PSMS is ready for them. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the supreme leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. God bless Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the supreme leader of indigenous people of Biafra, and also the supreme leader of Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless IPOB. God bless BSMS. God bless General Chukwuma Dike Amimon, the general of Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless the second in command, General Isechukwu Festus, the general second in command, Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless all BSMS commanders. God bless all Biafrans, all BSMS freedom fighters all over the world. God bless all BSMS soldiers everywhere in Biafra land. God bless BSMS soldiers everywhere in Biafra land. It is well with Biafrans. We must defend our land. We must be armed. They need to arm BSMS now. Biafrans must be armed. Biafrans at large must be armed. Biafrans at large must be armed. Biafrans at large must be armed. We must arm ourselves, we must defend this land. Fulani will never come from Futajalon to open a vigilante group in our land. As what? This news is mind-boggling. Some people don't even understand it. Imagine Mieti Allah coming down to Biafra land oh God of mercy, God bless Biafra, my brother.
Hello, Andy.
Yeah, God bless Biafra.
Hello. God bless Biafra. Yeah, me, I'm just waking up and hearing the news that Fulani Mieti Allah is requesting to have a vigilante group in Biafra land. Are you hearing me? Can you hear me? Hello? All right.
Are you loud and clear? Around the beat.
I want to make contribution. Hello?
Go.
What is this? It seems like the network is not friendly.
Continue speaking. We can hear you. Zoo network. Nigeria is a zoo, and the zoo must fall. I have a very sweet comment here from Festa Eko Ogunwadike. It says, robbing the evil they perpetuate on our faces. This is exactly what they want to do. They want to rob the evil that they are perpetuating to our faces. They want to come to our faces and tell us no one day. They want to come to our faces to tell us that one day. They want to come and tell us that we are nothing. That they can come to our land and misbehave and kill our people and go. But we say no. We are going to kill all of them from A to Z. Read my lips. I said we are going to kill all of them from A to Z. I mean all of them. We are going to kill all of them. Share this message to them. Share this message to Mieti Allah. Tell Mieti Allah to come. The BSMS is telling them that we are going to kill all of them. I give all of them. You are bringing vigilante group. Every Igbo leader, that is under this conspiracy, we are going to kill you. We are going to kill you. Okay, Arola. Okay, no. We are going to kill all of you. We are going to kill all of you. Your money will not save you. Your rubbish, idiotic rubbish connection will not save you. Your rubbish security and your guards is not going to save you. We are going to kill you because we own this land. We can never allow you to be riding our destiny. We can never allow you to be riding our future. We are going to kill you. Nonsense. This is time for action. They must die by fire, by force. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Join Biafra Special Military Squad now. You can inbox me. You can inbox General Amimon. His Facebook name is Amimon Chukwuma. You can inbox our BSMS soldiers. The ones you know, not any random person you see. The ones you know. You can, in the inbox, the ones you know. And make sure you share this video and make it go viral so that they can understand our grief, because they have declared war on us and we must give them Sotovo. Sotovo! War without end. Odogwu na-epe na Biafra land. Our niggas niile bụ Odogwu na-epe. Ada afụ ilu mmadụ. Maka na dibịa agwụgharịa onye amụma ọzọ ekpegharịa. Ndị otu ọzọ ebugharị otu akụwa dị. Gbasa amụrụ dike na mba ka amụrụ ibe ya. Anyị abụrụ ụmụ nwoke amụ mmiri. The zoo must fall. The Fulani Empire must crumble. The Fulani Empire must crumble. They must fall. We need sophisticated ammunitions. I don't have ball in my mouth. I'm not saying it gently. We need sophisticated arms and ammunitions to defend our land now. Actually follow. Man of Passa. We are ready. BSMS, we are ready. We just need your support. BSMS is ready. Ha. Oh, these people don't understand. I said BSMS is ready. This is war. We must prepare. Because this is war. Full-blown war. They are coming. Don't be myopic that you can't see it. Are you that myopic that you cannot see it? Are you this myopic that you can't see this impending doom about to befall our people? Are you this myopic? Look into the bigger picture and see death, and see mayhem, and see pain and penury, see killings and subjugation. They are bringing war to our land. But we must kill them all. We are never going to fight a defensive war. We are going to fight an attacking war. They are going to be busy defending their own land. What happened from 1967 to 1970 is not going to repeat itself. Never. Never. The theater of war will be in the north. We are taking the war to them. We shall drive them out of this land, and then we pursue them to their land. We are going to pursue them down to their land. Let them feel the heat so that they can feel the test. Read my list. BSMS It was a man I go far. Anya go far. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. God bless Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. God bless Mazi Uchemefo. God bless the demon of the East. General Chukwuma Dike Amimon, the demon of the East, the beast from the East. God bless his second in command, General Ezechukwu Festus, the Lion of Biafra. God bless all Biafra commanders. Come and join Biafra. Come and join Biafra Special Military Squad. Come and join Biafra Special Military Squad. Come and join Biafra Special Military Squad. Come and join. Be a man. Look at Israel. We are bigger than them in population. But look at how tiny they are. But they defeated the Arab League under 6 days. We can do it. We can do more than them. 50 million of us. We can do it. We can break down this devilish empire called the Fulani. We can bring them to their knees. We can smash them to their knees. We can pursue them down to Futajalon. Ureji, ageru Futajalon. Ureji, ageru Futajalon. Ureji, ageru Gausa. Ureji, ageru Gausa. All my volunteer force, prepare. All my volunteer force, prepare. Ngongo. Anyị ga-egbu ya ngwo. Don't call me rebel. Nigeria soldier, don't call me rebel. I'm a citizen, you're a foreigner. Don't call me rebel. My Nigerians don't call me rebel. Nigeria soldier, don't call me rebel. I'm a citizen, you're a foreigner. Don't call me rebel. Fulani Army, don't call me rebel. We are citizens, you are foreigner. Don't call us rebels. Fulani Army, don't call us rebel. We are citizens, you are foreigners. Ihe anyị na-eme ihe mmụọ, onye anyị na-achụrụ aja bụ oke mmụọ. Ihe anyị na-eme ihe mmụọ, onye anyị na-achụrụ aja bụ oke mmụọ. Ihe anyị na-eme ihe mmụọ, onye anyị na-achụrụ aja bụ oke mmụọ. Ihe anyị na-eme ihe mmụọ, onye anyị na-achụrụ aja bụ oke mmụọ. Onye anyị na-achụrụ aja bụ oke mmụọ. Onye anyị na-achụrụ aja bụ oke mmụọ. Ihe anyị na-eme ihe mmụọ. Onye anyị na-achụrụ aja bụ oke mmụọ. Ihe anyị na-eme ihe mmụọ. Onye anyị na-achụrụ aja bụ oke mmụọ. Ihe anyị na-eme ihe mmụọ. Onye anyị na-achụrụ aja bụ oke mmụọ. Ihe anyị na-eme ihe mmụọ. Onye anyị na-achụrụ aja bụ oke mmụọ. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Remember, you don't pay any dime to anybody to join BSMS. Remember, it's very important. Anybody who tells you to pay any dime to join BSMS, report the person to us. Block and delete the person immediately. The person is a fake. We don't pay money to join BSMS. You don't pay to anybody. BSMS is under command and control. God bless Biafra. God bless BSMS. Join BSMS today. Let us make history. Let us defend our land from this devilish Fulani onslaught. Let us defend our land from this devilish Fulani onslaught. You that is in the diaspora, you don't care. You are in the diaspora, you don't care. You don't care. You think we are joking. You think we are joking. You think we are joking. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. You are in Europe and you think we are joking. You are in Europe and you don't want to come and defend your land. You are in Europe, you don't want to come and defend Biafra land. You are in Europe, you don't want to support BSMS. Why are you in Europe? Don't you know that you are there because of a reason? You need to come and support BSMS. You need to support BSMS with all your might. You need to support BSMS with all your sight. You need to support BSMS with everything you've got. Support BSMS. We are defending you. We are defending you. We are defending Biafra land. And we are defending you. Are we in our bambo? In our bambo, no bodo ibogi chefu obodogi. Sin in our bambo. Call the campo in our bayambo ndemo. In our bambo gi chefu obodogi. Kero the campo bunka. Ichefu na gichefu na ndefu na abago kafabe bua in our bambo sin in our bambo. Kero the campo in our baiva no. Akwe dindu na bambo. Akwe dindu neriego. Akwe dindu neriego. Onye dị ndụ na-agba moto, onye dị ndụ na-aba jet, ọkwa onye dị ndụ akwa ya na-ebi n'ime mansion ọrụ, onye dị ndụ. If you die, will you do all these things? If Fulani kill us all, are you going to enjoy that money that you are suffering to get? You are fighting, you focus all your mentality there. You don't want to think about your freedom. Onye dị ndụ na-akpa akụ. A stitch in time saves 9. God bless Biafra and God bless PSMS. God bless IPOB. God bless the leadership of IPOB. God bless Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. God bless his deputy Mazi Uchemefo. God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless my general, Demon of the East, General Chukwuma Dike Amimon. God bless his second in command, General Ezechukwu Festus. God bless the chains in commands in Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless BSMS. God bless all BSMS soldiers. We must defend our land. See you soon.